Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So today is going to be a nice soft glam. This is my go-to soft glam, and I'm going to share that with you guys today. So if you are interested in knowing how I got this look, what products I used, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're just going to jump right into today's video. As you can see, I have my brows already filled in, I have my eyes prepped and ready, and I'm ready for shadow. So going in with the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette, which is this gorgeous palette here. I'm going to show you guys what the inside looks like. If you haven't seen it, it's just like the perfect everyday palette. It has a bunch of shimmers, it has a bunch of mattes, and you could just mix it around and create a bunch of amazing looks. So today I'm going to do a nice soft glam. So I'm going to grab this brush right here. This is like a blending brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with a brown first. I'm going to do like a nice, pretty much all different shades of brown soft glam. So going in first with this shade up here. You see this one? I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to start blending that right in the crease as our transition shade. And this color is basically just helping us with the process of blending all of the colors that we're going to go in with. And now I'm going to grab, this is a Morphe G24. I'm going to go in with this darker brown right here, starting to get a little deeper. And I'm just going to apply that right here on the outer V, and also blending it right a little bit into the eyelid and into that transition shade in circular motions. You see that? I'm gonna grab a little more, and I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're going in circular motion, blending that color right in the outer V, and at the same time into that transition shade. Alright, so with the same brush, you guys, I'm going to go in with this brown in the palette. See, it's a little bit darker than that one. Not by much, but just a tad bit. Just going to grab that and apply that color again on the outer V and blend it into the transition shade. Also bringing it right here on the inner corner, just like that. And I'm gonna add just a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in with this shade here with the same brush. It's in the same row, just a little in the beginning part. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna go right and just keep it on the outer V. Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease a little bit. I'm going to grab a concealer. The one I'm going to be using is this one from L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm just going to be grabbing a brush, a flat brush like this. This is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go in and grab whatever's on the actual like wand part. Just going to go in and cut the crease a little bit. Now that I'm done cutting the crease, I'm going to grab this brush right here. This is the JH41, and I'm going to grab this shade from this palette, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the G24 brush again, and no additional product. I'm just going to grab the brush and then just blend the edges here so it doesn't look super harsh. For today's soft glam, I'm also going to go in with a little bit of liquid liner. So this one right here is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Now that I'm done applying the liquid liner, I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to apply some lashes, and then I'll be back to continue on with the rest of the makeup. Alright, so now that I'm done applying the lashes, we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to go in with face primer. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm also going to be going in with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and I'm just going to add that on the T-zone. So right here, where I would technically like get oily and stuff. For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Dewy Photo Focus Foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation. When I first tried it out, I will leave that video linked for you at the end of the video in case you guys want to see it. But I absolutely fell in love with this foundation, so I'm going to go in with that, and I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Cashew. And I'm going to be blending that out with my Real Technique sponge as well. To cream contour, I'm going to go in with this one from Makeup Revolution. This is the foundation stick in the shade F13. And I'm just going to use my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm also going to grab a little bit of this and apply that on my nose right here. And this is just going to contour the nose a little bit. I'm going to use the same brush to blend it out. And I'm going to go back in with my Real Technique sponge just to blend out those harsh edges. You can also do your lips. I usually do my lips as well, so I'm just going to grab a little bit of this and just use it as if I'm applying lipstick. The same contour brush. Now to set the under eye, I'm going to go in with the RCMA powder, of course, and my Real Technique sponge. Now that I'm done setting my face, I'm going to go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and I'm just going to set the outer perimeter. So using this Japanesque 961 brush. Now I'm going to grab the RCMA powder once again, and I'm going to reverse contour. I'm going to go with the opposite side of the sponge. And I'm not baking or anything, I'm just, you know, using that to clean up whatever I have going on. If I applied it a little lower than I should have, I'll just use the RCMA powder or any translucent powder that you may have, and that will help correct that. And like I said, I don't let it bake. I just apply it and then let it sit for like a second and then brush it off. Going back in with the palette, you guys, I'm gonna use the same colors that I went in for the eye, but going in with the Morphe M562. This is like the best brush to use to like blend underneath the eye. So I'm just gonna grab this shade here, this shade here, this shade here, and just blend them all together. Now I'm just going to be grabbing my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original, and applying that on the lower lashes. I'm going to go in with this eyeliner. This is from Giorgio Armani. This is the Waterproof Smooth Silk Eye Pencil. I am going to go in with a little bit of highlight, so I'm going to be using this one from Becca. This one is in the shade Opal. And And now for lips, you guys, I'm going to be going in with this right here. This is the NYX matte, what is it? Suede matte lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. To finish off the lips, I'm going to be grabbing this little mini matte lipstick from Morphe. This one is in the shade Pixie. Actually, no, this is not. I thought this was the matte lip cream. I'm actually going to go in with this one. This is the matte lip cream. This one is in the shade True Story, and I'm going to apply that. And if you mess up applying these lip liners, these matte liquid lipsticks, all you have to do is grab a brush and just literally wipe it away. This is the Morphe M421. Alright, so now to finish off the makeup, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my soft glam. I love this glam right here. It's my favorite. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!